Welcome to BIS Research Deep Tech Podcast. I am your host Shelja Gupta and today I have Pritha Kohli, Research Analyst at BIS Research with me. Hi Pritha, welcome to the Deep Tech Talk.
Hello Shalja.
In this episode of the podcast, we would be talking about the latest developments in electric farm tractor market, its future and how it's helping the farmers in increasing the crop yield. As we all know that farmers across the globe depends on the agriculture production for their livelihood, and increased efficiency in the field would help in the upliftment of farmers and an increased global agricultural production. Thus, there has been an increased push around the world aimed at increasing automation in the agricultural industry. Electric farm tractors offer a wide range of benefits over conventional farm tractors. A big benefit that electric farm tractor provides as compared to conventional tractors is the reduced operational cost. Electric tractors are battery operated, which is inexpensive when compared to diesel fueled tractors. With this, I would like to ask Pritha to shed some light on the present scenario of the electric farm tractor market.
Currently, after the post COVID pandemic, the increasing fuel prices, rise in population worldwide, and carbon emission reduction policies are the main reasons for the farmers to adopt electric farm tractors. Like you mentioned, that the electric farm tractors offer a wide range of benefits over conventional farm tractors. These days, people are opting for technologies that are eco-friendly, such as battery tractors, as compared to conventional diesel-powered tractors. Also, the major factor for the higher adoption of electric farm tractors is the use of batteries, which can be charged from charging stations and can also be swapped with another ones. Due to availability of smartphones, technology such as IoT, Wi-Fi, and many others, the adoption of electric farm tractors in the future looks positive.
You mentioned that currently people are opting for eco-friendly technologies. So can you also educate our audience on other latest developments in the market that have made a significant impact?
Yes, Shalja. There have been a lot of research and developments happening as observed in our analysis during 2018 to 2021. According to our research, product development and innovations is the most used strategy among the electric farm tractor key players. For instance, in February 2021, D-Ray and Company launched the Gridcon electric cable tractor. Another instance is in February 2021, Escorts Limited announced the launch of the first driverless tractor in India called the FarmTrack Atom 26.
Pritha, as per your understanding of the entire industry, what is it that is promoting the growth of electric farm tractor market?
So, Shelja, there are primarily three major factors responsible for the growth of global electric farm tractor market. Firstly, to combat the rising issue of climate changes. So for this, there are policies such as Paris Climate Agreement, which are agreed upon and signed by nations to mitigate the greenhouse gas emissions causing circumstances. The second factor I can think of is the increased focus on sustainability results in adoption of electric farm tractors, as they do not emit any harmful gases and have noise-free components in the tractors. Lastly is the shortage of labor due to high rate of urbanization. Lack of skilled labor is promoting the shift towards electricity-based farming. Thus, electric vehicles prove to be a better solutions to such crisis.
Pritha, you mentioned Paris Agreement and increased focus on sustainability. So how do you think is the future going to be for the electric farm tractor market?
See, the precision delivery of these electric farm tractor improves yield with comparative minimal loss of products such as fertilizers, water dispersion, and other solutions. So, Shalja, if we talk about the future prospect, then electric farm tractors adoption is going to increase at a CAGR of 11.1% during the period 2021 to 2026 due to its low operating costs along with the increased need for productivity.
The growth number you mentioned seems quite impressive. Those were some eye-opener insights, especially for me, on the electric farm tractor market. Thank you, Pritha, for providing us the insights of the industry. In case you wish to know more about different industry, do visit our website at bisresearch.com and read through the different market intelligence studies that have been published by us across industries. Also, don't forget to follow our podcast on Spotify and Audible.